Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. So we have a new release, Who-Ville release. This is Mount Crumpit stamp set. It's 3x4 and isn't it fun? I love this stamp set and you get a lot. Also, this is the coordinating die set. I love how it cuts in between those white spaces there. I'm just going to stamp it out for you so you can see what it looks like on paper, and then I will share with you my card at the end. There is a hop tomorrow, so you'll be able to see how I did create this card from start to finish, but I'm just going to give you a peek of it. And so we also have other products that go with this Mount Crumpit stamp set. So check out the Katscrappiness website. There is so much fun on that release here, on this new release. And so I'm just stamping it a couple times just because my ink is dry. I need to refill it, but I wanted you to see it here on this white paper, and then visit it tomorrow for the hop. New release should be available as this video is airing, and then we will have a fun hop tomorrow. So super fun. I love this stamp set. So let me share with you, this is the Who-Ville Christmas Paper Pad 6x6 Who-Ville stamp set, Who-Ville coordinating die set. We also have a ugly sweater paper pad here. So much fun. And so here is my card. I will share my card that I colored on craft paper. Nina Desert Storm. I used the Cat's Essential Builder Die number 3, I believe. I will have everything listed down below for you. And so I hope you love the new release as much as I do. And this is the new intro for Mount Crumpit stamp set. So